welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my second video, and for those who don't know, I want to tell you that I'm a fashion student and it's been 1 year since I joined a fashion college. Before joining a fashion college, I didn't know that we have to purchase like so many art materials that I will have to purchase a whole new wardrobe for it. Now let's get started with cleaning and organizing. This is how messed up my art wardrobe is. Let's start by removing everything, starting from a tiny ball pen to a huge bag. Joining fashion college made me more creative than before. My first year of degree has definitely taught me a lot. This is all the mess that came out of my closet. This is another shelf where I keep the materials that I rarely use. Now let's clean the wardrobe inside out. I keep changing the bags that I carry to college according to what classes I have. Because for a few classes we need huge bags and for a few we only need to carry a notebook. But from 5 bags I found 4 spoons, 1 fork, 2 lipsticks, 4 handkerchiefs and tiny things like pencils, erasers, etc. Now we'll divide and reorganize all the materials. In this organizer, I have all color mediums starting from Staedtlers to glass paints. Let's now remove the products that I made and carried for my jewelry. Let's do a little transition. I wish things were this easy, but let's get back to the reality. And we are almost done. Let me show you how I finally organized everything. In the first compartment, I have a tote bag and huge files. In the second one, I have fabrics and all GC materials like needles, threads, scissors, etc. In the third, I have sheets like ivory sheets, protective sheets, gateway sheets, etc. In the fourth, I have extra tote bags and a few notebooks. And in the fifth, I have all the color mediums. And that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.